In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 10th Mathematics Science group. In this lecture we will do unit number 13, exercise 13.3. So let's see question number 11. Draw two circles which touches both the arms of angles. First part is 45 degree, second is 60 degree. So first of all you have to draw a ray with suitable measurement. Now you have to make the angle of 45 degree with the help of protractor. In previous lectures I have told you how you can construct the angle of 45 degree or other angles with the help of compass. Now I have put dot at 45 degree. Now that is the angle of 45 degree. So you can write here. Now first of all you have to draw the angle bisector here. You have to open compass with suitable radius. So you have to put compass at point A, then draw arc. Now you have to put compass at starting point, so draw first arc. Now you have to put compass at this point, second touching point, so draw second arc. Now you have to get intersection point, so you have to join with the help of scale. Now you have to join this intersection point with A, like this. Now you are going to construct a circle which touches the arms of angle. So you have to name B and C. Now first of all you have to open compass with suitable radius and you have to take any point on angle arm. So you have to open compass with suitable radius. Now you have to draw an arc in B form, like this. Like this. Now you have to get 2 points of intersection. Now you have to put compass at first point of intersection, draw first arc. Now put compass at second intersection point, so you have to draw second arc. आप जितनी एक दफ़ा compass open कर लेंगे आप उतनी ही रखेंगे, उसको कम या ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे. Now you have to join. That was the point. So you have to join. You have just take the radius like this. That is the radius. It's named as O and D. OD is the radius. So you have to open compass from O to D. Now you have to draw a circle. Open compass from O to D. So let's see. Now you have to draw a circle which touches the arms of the angle, like this. Let's see. So you have to construct 45 degree angle and you have also draw a circle which touches the both arms of the angles. Now we will construct an angle of 60 degrees second part. Now you have to do the second part, so you have to put protractor at point A and draw an angle of 60 degree. Now put dot here. Now you have to join this dot with A. Now that is the angle of 60 degree. Now you have to open compass with suitable radius. So same procedure you have to apply here. Open compass with suitable radius, draw an arc like this. Now you have to put compass at first intersection point, draw first arc. Now you have to put compass at point second. Now draw second arc. ये बात याद रखनी, जितनी कंपास आप एक दफ़ा ओपन कर लेते हैं आपने उसको उतना ही रखना है, कम या ज़्यादा नहीं करना जब तक कि आप एंगल बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ ना कर लें. Now you have to get this point of intersection, join with A. Now you have to join with A with scale. Now same procedure you have to apply here. You have to open compass with suitable radius and you have to put compass at any point. It's your own choice. So I have put here. आप अपनी मर्ज़ी से कंपास जहाँ चाहे रख सकते हैं. इस लाइन के ऊपर मैंने यहाँ पे रखी है. आप इतनी कंपास ओपन करेंगे कि आपका ये बे फॉर्म में आर्क लग जाए. बे फॉर्म में आर्क लगाने का मकसद ये होता है कि बेसिकली आपके पास 2 पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आ जाए. सो आई हैव गेट 2 पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. फर्स्ट इज दिस. अब जितनी कंपास ओपन की उतनी ही रखनी है, उसको कम या ज़्यादा नहीं करना. सो ड्रा फर्स्ट आर्क, पुट कंपास एट सेकेंड पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, ड्रा सेकेंड आर्क. नाउ you have to put scale according to this point of intersection of arcs and this point. Now you have to join with this in dotted line. So that is a O point and that is known as D point. Now B. Now you have to take radius. Now you have to take radius from O to D. Now open compass with suitable radius O to D. Now you have to draw a circle which touches the arms of an angle. Let's see. Now आप चेक करें आपने एक ऐसा सर्कल ड्रा कर दिया है जो आर्म्स को टच करता है. AC और AB ये एंगल्स के आर्म्स हैं. So you have to do the practice of 45 degree and 60 degree angles according to question number 11. Subscribe my channel and also like my video. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा, वीडियोस को लाइक करें. इसके अलावा आप बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको जो है ना मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में इत्तला मिल सके. अल्लाह हाफिज़.